for which I'm using this milk. This is chilled milk, and milk works as a great cleanser, especially for oily skin, and for people having dry skin they can use heavy milk cream. I'm gonna clean my face with this. You'll see all the dirt on the cotton piece you'll be using. Then I'm using this chandan powder which I've stored in a glass jar, and with this wooden spatula I'll have some amount of sandalwood powder in a bowl. And then add heavy milk cream to it. Put as much as you required. Do not make it too flowy nor too dense. My mixture felt a bit dense, so I'll be putting some more milk cream to it. And then stir it with the same wooden spatula. This will be the mixture and the consistency. Using this brush, I'll apply the whole pack on my face, only leaving the lips area and my eye portion. Chandan has great cooling properties in it, and also it helps reducing spots, not only dark spots but white spots too. I feel sandalwood powder or chandan powder works as an instant glowing. After you wash off your face, you will see an instant glow. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes until it completely dries off, and then wash it off. This is how it will look after drying. It can really stretch your skin, so do not talk. And then wash it off with warm or cold water. If you're using warm water, remember to use lukewarm water. Then for toning, I'm using this rose water toner. You all can use normal rose water. This rose water is from VLCC. Toning is not such an important step, but it does help in long run. Dab it onto the face with your fingers. And let it dry. Then I'll be using this almond oil, which is Rogan Badam Shireen from Patanjali. I'll be using this as my moisturizer. Remember, this can only be used during winter season, and if you want to use this in summer season, do not go out applying this on skin. This can seriously tan your skin. And if possible, only apply it in night time. This works as a great moisturization, and after you'll wake up in the morning, if you're applying it in night, you'll see a great difference in your face. Thank you for watching. Bye.